Welcome back to Saving Mamasita. So glad you guys could join me here today. You guys are in for a real treat because today is special because we got a brand new box. So when we get a brand new box, we get a little bit extra, like more extra than normal here. And it is so much fun to see other subscription boxes and what they have to offer. And this one is called the Hooting Pirates Treasure Box. So the Hooting Pirates Treasure Box is a box designed to give you mini escapes to help you recharge before you get back to your busy day. In each box, you received a gift, a mini craft kit, a yummy treat, stationery, a reminder, and some tea. A box to delight you with lots of me time moments that will show up at your door every 2 months. This box is gonna run you about $32.95 every other month. So it actually does come in this particular box. It's a decent sized box, it's very light, and on the top it has the Hooting Pirates Treasure Box logo and a fun little sticker that says, "Let us spoil you." Pretty blue paper, and on the sticker it says, "You deserve this," and it has a little owl on there. It's got some cute little fun pink confetti. Look at that. It looks like we have some information about this particular box. This box is the Charmed theme box, marking their first anniversary. So there's a celebration confetti balloon included for you. On this particular card, it has all of the items that are included in the box. Awesome. So we got the balloon. It is full of confetti. Look at that. Isn't that fun? Super fun. Digging underneath all of the confetti here, there are a bunch of items. Let me just take them out one by one here. We got some yummy treats. First off, steep your English breakfast tea and take a moment to sit and dream of a charming English cottage. This is my favorite tea, especially with a splash of milk. It goes perfectly with shortbread. So the tea is right here. Got 2 packets of the tea and your biscuits to go with it. Next item is a charm pad with a gold foiled heart. This notepad is perfect for your desk or to toss in your bag with its simple gold heart. Made by Enclosed Letterpress Company, a father-daughter owned company, it's perfect for lists or a quick note. I always need these, especially in my office. And so nice just to have some paper, extra paper to jot down notes or reminders, things like that. This is very fun. On the back, it says, "Hello List Lover." It had some confetti inside of it. Okay, so it's just a basic notepad and it has some hearts on it. I will definitely use those for sure. And then we have a Liberty Charm bracelet. Where is that at? It must be this one here. Is it this one here? Oh, for cute. This is adorable. Actually, this is a charm. Add some charm to your planner, TN, or handbag with these adorable charms. Isn't that adorable? Oh my goodness. And next, I think this is probably the bracelet here, wrapped in this cute little paper. Let's take a look. Yep, I think this is it. That is so cute. Look at that. This cheerful charm bracelet is made with Liberty fabric by Alpine Angel Bijou in France. Use it as a reminder to take time for yourself when you notice it on your wrist. Take 3 deep breaths or drink your water or take time for gratitude. And then it has a little adjuster here so you can tighten it or loosen it as you need to. But isn't that adorable? I love that. Dip Spoons Mini Craft Kit. Okay, add a bit of charm to your table setting or kitchen. This relaxing craft can give you some time to unwind and create a beautiful spoon set that you can use for honey, spices, or salt, or just as a decoration. So that's kind of what I was thinking what it was for honey, but you got 3 little spoons, mini spoons, And then you've got an acrylic paint pen, paint marker pen, extra fine point. Any projects like this are great for self-care because it helps you take your mind off things. It helps you unleash some creativity. It's just taking some time for yourself. And when you can create something like this too, it does definitely give you a sense of accomplishment. I love little things like this, and I'm definitely going to see what I can do and see if I can make these all pretty.
A few moments later.
Let's try one of these shortbreads. Doesn't that look good? Oh my goodness, I'm hungry. So good. So let's go ahead, you guys, do a quick review, and then we will give them their very first rating. Are you ready? All right. So we've got this pretty bracelet. A charm pad. Can never have enough of these. 50 pages of that one. We've got the tea, the English tea, 2 packets of tea, and the butter shortbread. We've got the Dipped Spoons mini craft kit, which includes the 3 spoons, the acrylic paint pen, and the paint marker pen. We also got the little charm. This is so cute, the planner charm, or you can use it for whatever you want to use it for, but they do have these shown where you can use them on your planner. And then we've got the confetti balloon. So all of those items, you guys, for roughly around $32.95. And I believe that does include shipping as well. So yeah, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about this box? Let's go ahead and give this box their very first rating. Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. This was a lot of fun. When we rate the box, you guys, we rate based on a scale of 1 to 10. 1 being, stay away from this box. 10, yes, queen, you need to buy this box. We rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, whether or not it has a card inside that lists all of the items and their values on it. We also rate based on the variety of the items in the box, the quality of the items in the box, and the price point of the box, the quality, all of that jazz. So you kind of know how we roll here, guys. Scale of 1 to 10. What did you guys think about this box? Let me know down in the comment section down below what you would rate this box. Without further ado, let's hit that drum roll, please. Hooting Pirate Box. You're gonna get your very first rating of a 6. You got a 6. You got a 6. I thought this was a lot of fun. It was very different. I love the presentation of the box. So much fun, so bright and colorful. I loved the variety of the items inside the box. I'm going to have a lot of fun. I'm doing this little crafty thing. I really love this bracelet. It's probably my favorite thing in the box. I feel like it was very well presented. I love the fact that they had a postcard that was in color even, and it had a nice description of each item and what you can use them for. The only thing that's missing from the card was the values on there, and it's not necessary to have those on there, but me personally, I love to see that simply because I like to see what they retail for and where my value is going, you know, compared to the price of the box. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section down below. If you enjoyed the box, please hit that like, hit the subscribe button,